ka-ching-ching. Today, nandito ako sa bahay ng cousin namin, si Carl tsaka si Ken. Yes, nag-vlog na naman. Lapaw na mga ka-ching-ching. Today, mangmumukbang po kami. Kami ng pinsan namin. Today. Ito si Carl tsaka si Ken. Tapos ito si Dylan. Hello. 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 Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Now let's open them. Now let's open them. What? I want lollipop. Kain sa'yo to, di ba? How do you solve? Hi guys, look, this is a lollipop. Hi guys, this is a lollipop. Yes. How do you open this can? Oh, I open it up. Kain mo. Huh? Hi, lollipop! Kasi markaan, di ba? How do you open this thing?
Let me help you. Help.
Papa, how do you open it?
Wait.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
This is a lollipop. Say hi guys, this is my candy. Hi, this is my candy. How can I open it? This too. Put it in your plate. Thank you. This looks yummy. Ang dami naman candy. Hey, Dylan. Wait, Dylan.
Yeah, I will care. Didn't we? Does it taste good?
Yummy. Papa. ASMR pa. Yeah, ASMR nito.
You talk, Kel.
Yeah.
Kel. Kel, this one.
This is Oreo. Oh. Open the Oreo. Papa. Hello guys, we got Oreo. Oh, this one crack. Why that crack? Really? This the last one. This the last one. Kaya you forgot to put the other one in the top. I cannot get it. Oh, I got it. What? Yeah, you can talk now.
You can talk.
Hello. Hello. Hi.
Sawa tayo sa mata.
Where's the white one? We want juice.
Yeah, juice.
Both hands. Put down your Oreo. Both hands. look at the cup, ha?
Me first.
Gusto mo ako na nga.
Go na. Ilan na? Bigyan mo dito yung pa.
Ay, lollipop first!
Ilan na? Look at the cup. Ilan? Look at the cup. One blue. Two na.
Mine's be orange. Kyle's blue.
Ilan kayo?
Ay, hindi ata.
Isa na.
Yummy.
Yummy!
Ang lollipop.
That's so yummy.
Kaya ba na? Hindi. Yummy. Papa, igaganto may hahawakan mo doon.
One.
Ako baro. Kaya
Baro.
Lagi second.
dapat igaganto.
Okay na yan. Ito lang.
Hello, guys. Look at my toy.
Okay. Thank you.
Eh,
Mom, are you okay? Whoa. Properly.
natutulog ba sila?
Kain lang.
Wow. It's a dinosaur. Oh.
Mine is a strawberry. This is a
Mine
dinosaur.
Mine is the
Can I have
dinosaur.
this? This is not a dinosaur here.
Mine is the dinosaur. Oh, that's
I can still no more life. Wow.
I'm almost done.
Me too. Oh my god. Mine is an apple.
Tapos ito ako tayo.
Oh, mine's purple. Di ba sarap? Yes, enough na. Okay, last one na yan ah.
Where's your candy?
Ang pwede mo na.
Doesn't work.
I can try that, okay? Enjoy that too.
What do?
No, thank you. I'm a winner! I'm a winner! You're still a winner. That sound is yummy.
Hey, Bobby!
Wala din yung naandun.
Mine is pink. Mine is pink.
Ilan? Stay kami na alam.
Bye-bye!
Kami na. Bye mga chiki.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys!
Bye.